Welcome back to the channel. So just a quick video to show how to wire in the dual map for the 10P ECUs. They wire in slightly differently to the 15P, which you've obviously seen in the other video. I'll put it here so you can see it. But yeah, it's relatively straightforward. In the Just Map It kit, you would have got this cable. Let's open it up. These are also available on my website, just in case. So yeah, you can see it comes, because these basically for the 15P for the momentary switch. However, we don't need to use this bit, so we can just cut that bit off with the snips and then just use that bit, and then that's the other bit that goes to the switch. So yeah, just to reiterate, you can remove this tag, this tail, and then use the rest of the cable. So where it fits on the ECU is here. So this example is on the Discovery 2. So in the black plug, remove the white bit. You'd be surprised how many people forget to do that. And looking at the plug from this way, get out the light, you can see, so you've got, this is top, so it's 1, 2, 3, so it's this one. You'll notice on this that it's green with a black trace, so I've tried to match it. So you got the green there with the black trace, so it's that one. The way that you get it out, so you got to just pull that up like that. Sorry if the light's not very good. There you go, like that. So you just need to be able to grab it. My little tool keeps coming to bits. And then if you slide this in while tugging on the back, like that, he says. Like that, you can hear the click. Basically, like that. We don't need that, so tape it up, put it away, get the replacement. Obviously once you've cut this bit off, and if you look at the, you'll see it has to go in that way. So you can just literally, just like that. So the difference between a latching switch and a non-latching switch is obviously one latches and one doesn't. So this is a latching switch, and the way you can test the latching switch is it stays in. The momentary switch you have to hold for it to be active. So that's an easiest way to test if the switch works is find which two pins are. So basically one side of that will go to earth, the other side will go to this cable. And if you buy this switch off our website, you get this kit included, obviously, and then you just boom, 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 and then you use that, as easy as that. Hopefully that's been a helpful video for you. This obviously is to install the 10P version of our dual mapping. If you get stuck or unsure, please call us. It's always better to call us. You can speak to one of the team. Most of the team, in fact all of the team, know how these things work, so they'll be able to advise in the best way possible. That's a lot quicker than sending us emails, because we do get inundated by emails, and I struggle to reply to them all quickly. So I do apologise for that, but thank you for reaching out. And please like and subscribe, and stay tuned.